In this video, we are going to see how we can check the current password on Facebook even if you forgot it. So I'm going to show you some of the techniques with which even you forgot your current password, you are still able to see this on Facebook. So what we can do is just click on the Facebook application, and on the top right hand corner we can see these three lines. Click on that and head over to the gear icon. And from here it says Account Center, Password and Security, and see more in the Account Center. We will click on see more. So let's say that we click on this. So if it is unable to jog your memory, what we can do is just open up the Chrome and click on the settings. Just click on the three dots at the top right hand corner and click on settings. And here just scroll down until you see this Google Password Manager. Click on that. And basically all the passwords are saved and maintained by Google Password Manager. So let's click on the relevant account, that is Facebook. We just need to enter our lock screen password. And now we can see any password we want. This is the example. Just we can click on this I button and we should be able to see the password, provided if your passwords are maintained by Google Password Manager. Or otherwise, if you're still unable to find that password, what you can do is just head over to the settings, and from the settings you click on the users and accounts, and it says Google 20 passwords are saved. Just click on that and just click on Google Password Manager from here. What this will do is it will show more accounts in the facebook.com. So here it is. Just click on this. You need to enter the lock screen password, and here you can see my personal ID with the password. That was not shown earlier, it's shown here. So just you click on the I button and you should be able to see the password. So these are some of the ways with which you can find the current password on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.